This is cutting some Meccano gears by a hobbing process using a vertical milling machine as a gear hobber. The hob is being driven by the mill spindle, which has been tilted over to the head has been tilted over to a slight angle to match the helix angle of the hob, in this case 50 minutes. And the blanks are being fed through using the x-axis of the mill and rotated by a rotary table driven by a stepper motor. Now, in the hobbing process, the blank has to rotate in synchrony with the hob, and that gearing is replaced in this case by software. There is a shaft angle encoder on the top of the mill spindle, which in this case produces 2000 pulses per revolution, which are read by a little microprocessor. It's an Arduino, and that counts those pulses and issues pulses to the steppers as necessary. It goes through some stepper drivers here, hanging on the back of the mill well away from the chips, to drive two stepper motors. One on the rotary table, that's the one that's synchronized to the mill spindle. In this case it's doing one revolution of the rotary table for every 38 revolutions of the mill, because we're putting a 38 tooth gear. And then a second stepper, moving very, very slowly, is driving the x-axis of the mill, feeding it through at 5/1000ths of an inch per revolution. And here we can see two blanks mounted back to back, and the hobbing process has just started, so you can just see the beginnings of the teeth being formed. And it takes about 5 minutes to run through the full length here and produce a pair of perfectly formed gears.